And that's what I did when the problem first happened. I'm coasting on the hill, and it did that lurch thing. Talk about shitting a Twinkie. And I went in there looking for the dipstick to check to see what my fluid looked like. No fucking dipstick.
Nope.
This all mine too over here?
Yeah, all that too. Welded clutches.
Welded clutches? Isn't that good?
No, they don't come factory that way.
oh man. All right. There's hell. We missing teeth? No?
No, we're good. The lugs are all good.
All right. Yeah. We're getting it over here. Thanks, Carrie.
No problem, brother.
I love it so far. Yeah, we got a new tranny in, we're good. Hey, the fact that it's backing up, is that a good sign?
It's got reverse.
All right, we got reverse. Okay, where do you want to go?
Just hop on the freeway. Give me a force kick down. Nail it. Give me like 3/4 throttle.
Kick down, did fine.
Use it. It's what you paid for, brother.
Feels good, feels good.
If you want to go back to the shop, you can, however you want to do it. Like I said, this thing's fucking gravy, good to go.
How many days do you think it's going to still be learning stuff?
I tell people on these 8Ls, the learning process freaking kind of painstaking, so I'd say 200 to 300 miles typically. But
that's right. You already told me that a couple times.
This thing feels fucking way better than the other 8Ls that we've had to do these.
Drive for a little longer, or are you pretty confident?
I'm confident as hell. You can do whatever you want to do. I'm cruising with you.
All right.
You want to take it down like Greenback and then head back Madison? We'll come up Manzanita if you want.
That sounds good to me. I just want to, while I have you here, I want to put a couple miles on it.
I'm 100% confident in this thing.
Yeah,
this thing got some balls, dude.
That was must have been a reeler or something. I don't know why. RPMs are a little higher than what was
the stall speed and the converter's different. So it's not gonna. You're gonna have higher RPM before it engages.
Really?
For better power output, so you get into your power band quicker.
So what's the stock converter stall speed?
1800
to 2800.
1800, yeah, about.
I mean, we went from 1800 to 2800.
Yeah, exactly.
So what exactly does that mean? It takes longer to engage?
So what happens is that your stall, the converter stalls where it fully engages the transmission and everything. You have a stall speed. So what they do with these higher end race cars and stuff like that, they raise the stall speed because you get more power there. So you want to get full power when it fully engages. Higher stall, you get your power where it's like right closer to your power band. And how's this thing slap?
So that's pretty good. I don't have my iPad in here that I use for my music. But it's more of a sound quality with.
That's all that matters.
It's got some extra. You know, if I throw down on the bass knob, it does have some beat.
Well,
those woofers are they're underpowered, but only because I'm a nut. Because I could have done 212s, but no, I decided to do 4, and I was like, well, I can fit 6.
Son, hit me, it's a light show. To the moon where I might go. In the team or ISO. Hard work, it's a hype, bro. Cold hard with a light tone. Looking more like a king on the right throne. Just want you bring the ring to the right home. Speaking on real shit when the mic off. Still do the same thing when the mic on. It don't matter if you game off my on. Ain't desperado style like a mic song. On it all day, stars with a mic on. If the shit don't slap, it ain't the right song. You lose life looking like a stroke.
So fucking clean, dude.
Definitely feels like the RPMs are a little higher as it's moving.
As it's taking off?
Yeah.
That's because it's hitting the stall higher. When it starts to boom, put my scanner for me.
No, I thought that comes with it. I thought that came with it.
No, it's an extra $5,000.
Oh, my bad. Here you go. I've heard extra $5,000 more than I need to hear from you. So the Caddy's back. Caddy's running great. Transmission's working flawlessly so far. And I just want to give a little shout out over to my boy Kerry over at AAMCO Citrus Heights. And maybe you're wondering, why did I go to AAMCO instead of like a performance racing shop of some sort? Well, to be honest, I really don't have connections like that. I don't know that many people that really know exactly what I need. There's people out there that know, but I just don't personally know them. And I had one guy that said he could do it all for me, except I had to take it over to the dealership and get it programmed. So I didn't want to get it programmed and it was all done. I wanted whoever does it to hand it over to me all finished and ready to go with upgraded parts, of course. I called it AAMCO because in the past, when the Tahoe's transmission went out, I had that one done. I also had them do the rear end, and they did an amazing job. So I figured I'd bring my Caddy over there, maybe see if they could diagnose it, get it flushed out. And if I got to take it over to some crazy performance shop, then that's what I'll do. But when I called up AAMCO in Citrus Heights, just to see if I can get it in there and if they had time to get it in there for a flush or whatever. I mean, there's no way, there's not even a dipstick on that transmission. So there's no way to even see what I have in there, if it needs to be topped off. But either way, I called them up and Kerry answered the phone. He's the manager, and I start telling him what I need. I start telling him what happened with my transmission, and instead of being like, oh, it's not stock, we can't touch it, he was just all about it. He said, man, we can do whatever you want. We can make it badass. I know what you need. I got guys over here that know what they're doing, and we can get you the best of the best. So, you know what? I was pretty damn confident, and I went over there to AAMCO, had my truck towed over there, and like 3 days later, they had to order some upgraded parts. So it took a couple of days to get the parts in, but once they started, it was like 2 days. So, hey, I got to give a shout out to AAMCO Citrus Heights, Carrie, Steve over there. Man, I'm so far, I'm loving it. I'm just glad to have my truck back. In the beginning, I didn't even really want to make a video of this. That's why there's no video of it going up on the truck. I got a couple photos, but I just wanted to get my truck fixed. But I was so happy with the customer service that I received over there. I just wanted to let everybody know all about it. So that's about it. Caddy's back in action. We're good.